Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make beef for nachos. First, grab a large skillet and brown 1 pound of ground beef over medium-high heat. As it cooks, use a spoon to break it into small, even pieces. Once fully browned, carefully drain any excess fat from the pan. This step ensures your nachos won't be greasy and sets the stage for delicious flavor. Now it's time to add some incredible flavor to your beef. Stir in 1 packet of your favorite taco seasoning mix. Then, pour in 1/2 cup of water or beef broth. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, stirring occasionally. Let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until most of the liquid has evaporated and the beef is well coated with the seasoning. With your seasoned beef ready, it's time to assemble those amazing nachos. Spread a single layer of tortilla chips on a baking sheet. Evenly spoon the warm, seasoned beef over the chips. Don't be shy. Then, generously sprinkle your favorite shredded cheese, like cheddar or Monterey Jack, over the beef. You can add other toppings later, but cheese is key. Finally, it's time to bake your nachos to perfection. Place the baking sheet into a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for about 5 minutes, or until the cheese is completely melted and bubbly. Carefully remove them from the oven. Now, add your favorite fresh toppings like salsa, sour cream, jalapenos, or guacamole. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade beef nachos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.